Okay, are you craving this? This is Zeppole, Italian buns, and it doesn't take a lot of. Many mothers have spent a lot of money on the street of Italy trying to get an Italian buns for the children. Very simple. I don't know why you're wasting such money. They call it Zeppole, and especially in this summer, you have them all over the street selling, 5 of it, €2. 5 of it, €2. In fact, the day that my children bought it, and it's from my pocket that the money came out from, I said, why did I even spend that money? You understand? We do that, but until I know that nothing is inside, so I do make it at home. So anytime they requested for it, I tell them I will do it at home. Come, let's go and do it. Very, very simple. So today I'm going to make it. It is called Zeppole in Italian, but in our African language is buns, Italian buns. Nothing. I think it was only 4 or 5. It's not up to 5 ingredients you will have inside of it, and it is done. Very easy to make. So today let's dive in. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because I have a lot coming on this channel, and you don't tell me that you don't learn anything on this channel. So click on the subscribe button, keep your bell on so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be able to get notice of it. Okay, let's dive in and make this video. You might not see my face again because I'm just coming back from a walk, so I say let me just do this, because if I just slide down, I can. If I just enter bedroom, I cannot do it again. So let me just do it now. Let's dive in. Okay, I bet you can make it at the comfort of your home. Now is summer, you can see them frying it in the street, and it's very costly. I spent money on it, and I said I'm not going to do that again. Let me make it for them, because we are in holidays. I'm at home. So we started by using 250 ml water, warm water. Then yeast, fresh yeast, 3 grams. Then you have to turn it, mix it very well. And here is salt. You have 5 grams of salt, and melt it very well. Make sure you mix everything well. So as I'm turning it, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. Happy holidays from my side. August in Italy is a very good time to come to go around. It's a time of holidays. So here we have a 250 grams of flour. You mix it very well. So as I was telling you, this month is a month that all workers, they are very happy, because you will stay at home, but they will still pay you if you have a contract job. So now you can do your tour, go around, make some trip, have some rest, depending on what you love doing. So I'm here, doing what I love doing, taking care of my family and myself. What do you want me to do? I've traveled, so I'm not going to travel again. I traveled before the holidays, so I have that time to travel. So if you watch my previous videos, I think 2 or 3 back, July video, you see I traveled. I went to UK, so I'm not going to travel again. We are at home, cruising around our home. Not far, but we're around. So make sure you mix this, mix it very well. You can see the texture. Do you see the texture? If it's not giving you this consistency, don't stop. Okay, so you see how it is. You keep on turning it until you get this texture. Okay, so now I'm going to scoop the spoon remove everything, make sure I handle it well, gather all of them together. Just follow this step, you love what you're saying. This kind of thing, we call it puff puff in Nigerian, wait, puff puff. But this one, they don't add sugar, there is no sugar, and that is why the color is white. But anything you add sugar, it turns brown. There is no sugar here, it's only salt. So you cover it, make sure you cover it, don't allow any place to have any air. So cover it very well, then allow it to stay for 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes, that is it. Put it in a place there is hot. Now we don't have problem because everywhere is hot, so in the comfort of your kitchen you can still be hot. So cover it. So here is it after 1 hour 30 minutes. You can see it. Do you see how it is? If you don't get results on your own, if you did not miss it well. So this is the oil. Sorry I didn't show you when I put the oil in the pan, but here is it. I'm testing if the oil is okay. It's okay now, so I can start frying. When it is okay. I have the temperature, how to know when it is okay. But if you don't know, once you put your dough inside, if you rise up immediately, is okay. Okay, so at the beginning you have to fry on a low heat, okay, so that it will not get burnt. So here is it. You can use hand to put it. I'm just making it simple for you so that you don't say you use your hand, you do this that. No, you use spoon, you use your hand. So far it's in your house, you're not selling it. So I'm using spoon. This is Gen Z way of doing it. Our puff puff, we used to use hand to put it inside. Do you understand? So when it is done, when the outer part of this dough is strong, because it won't turn brown. With a frying spoon you can be checking it, and at least from 2 to 3 4 minutes you can expect that is okay. Okay, thank you for joining, and I want to make the second batch. Because of the time, I don't want you to say that the video is long, this that, so I will not wait until the second batch is done. But I want to show you something. You see, as I drop this dough, gradually it came up. That is how you know that the dough you made is okay. Yeah, that is going to form well after making it. So thank you so much for still sticking to this video. Thank you for liking the video. If you have not liked the video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And if you've not subscribe to this channel. We have a lot to show us in this channel. So here is the end result of this dough. You can see it. Yummy. Bye.